Okay, this is a standard Megaflow, and this has to be a system fit, so it's provided with pumps and various valves. But the issue we need to deal with today is the bubble needs replacing. Symptoms of the bubble needing replacing is spurting hot tank. Spurting from the cold tap when initially turning it on, or water running from the expansion warning ton ditch, which is here. When hot water expands when heated, and there needs to be some room for it. On other unvented cylinders there is an external expansion vessel, but in Megaflow they arrange the tank so there is an expansion space within. However, the bubble of air sometimes within gets exhausted. So to top up this bubble space, several things need to be done in the following order. First of all, turn off the cold supply. Here the control valve is the combined control valve and filter assembly is just adjacent, and there is a small lever to the rear. When it is in the on position, the valve shall be pointed in the direction of the pipework, and to turn off, you gently rotate the handle until it is horizontal. Once that's been achieved, you then need to turn on the lowest hot taps. In a flat, this is often the bath. And then we need to manually open the expansion valve to allow air into the cylinder. Whereupon lots of gurgling is heard and water then runs from the bath tap. This may take some time because you have to slowly admit the air into this area. With a little bit of care and judgment, it is possible to open the valve and it will sit there of its own devices, slowly sucking in air. The bubbling and gurgling noises which can be heard is the air being admitted. Okay, the gurgling noise has now finished. So, release the expansion, or to be really correct, the temperature and pressure relief valve by turning the knob clockwise. You'll feel it reach a stop. Next, turn back off the hot tap. Next, turn the cold supply back on by rotating the valve. Give that a quick check to adjust. And then takes a moment or two to fill the cold water back in. that is nice and dry. So the job is done.